Hi, welcome back to my channel after 304 days. Today I am going to showing you how to change the batteries of these earbuds. Obviously they are not original. These are the master copy. So today I will show you how to replace the battery of these buds. Not the stock, the battery of these buds, because they are not giving me as good backup as before. So I will just swap the batteries with the new one, as I'm having these two new batteries. They are almost 30 to 40 milliamp hour batteries. Okay, these two new batteries. So let's start. You have to slightly twist the buds to open them. Yes, and then put inside the thumbnail inside gently. Yes, these are opened. I slightly broke the bud, but it's fine, and it doesn't affect this speaker. So inside here's the battery. So after opening, just remove this tape and let's head towards unsoldering the battery. As you can see that there's a small difference between this new battery and the old battery. I think it's 40 milliamp hour battery new one, and the old one is 30 milliamp hours. That's why it wasn't giving me good backup, even if it's only 1 month old. Okay, so let's try the new battery. Don't forget about the polarity. Let me just double check the voltage and polarity of this new battery. You can see that it's at 3.99 volts. It's almost charged, and this this one is the positive. The marked one is the positive. Also check for the other. Obvious. Okay, the batteries are all in the good condition. So let's just solder the batteries and we are ready to go. Let's solder the battery. Yes. For the insulation, apply some Kapton tape.
A few inches later. Okay, let's just twist the battery in the place, and yeah, let's just test it. Yeah, the light here turned on. Not sure you can see this in camera. Yes, the light turned on. It detected the earbud, so it's charging now. Let's do the same with the other bud. Yeah, it also detected the second one. So yeah, these are now charging. So that's how you can replace the new battery with the older one. If so, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.